4 mistakes to avoid when caring for marble floors. Dear friends, to this day marble is prized for its high-class appearance, structural rigidity and unparalleled timelessness. However, all that beauty requires some rather specific maintenance and care to keep it looking so good. Marble isn't quite as resilient as granite or quartz, but can still hold up to normal usage without too much issue as long as the proper precautions are made. But what mistakes should you avoid when caring for marble floors? 4 common marble care pitfalls and mistakes. 1. Allowing spills to sit. Like all natural stone, marble is a naturally porous material and can allow water and other liquids to seep beneath the surface. This can lead to difficult-to-remove stains and buildup of bacteria if you're not careful. That's why we recommend to always wipe up spills immediately, as even water can leave temporary dark spots in the stone if allowed to sit on an unsealed surface. It's also important for this reason to use a cutting board on marble countertops, and be sure to soak up any juices from your meal prep that made their way onto the surface of the stone. 2. Using acidic cleaning products. Vinegar and other acidic cleaning solutions should never be used on marble or other natural stone, as they will dull the professional finish and eat away at the surface of the stone and lead to etching. Etching can often look like watermarks or a surface stain, but in reality, these are chemical burns that have damaged the surface. If severe enough, this can require the help of a professional stone restoration specialist to fix. 3. Not using doormats or not mopping regularly. Dirt, mud and sand is abrasive on stone flooring, and can scratch the surface over time. It's a good idea to keep doormats inside as well as outside to try catching this debris and prevent these scuffs from happening. A dry, clean dust mop works great to remove any dirt that has been tracked in and won't scratch the floors in the process. Run the dry mop in a single direction, not back and forth, in order to best collect all the debris. A vacuum is not recommended, as they can contribute to these scratches over time. 4. Not sealing your stone. All the beauty and prestige of marble comes with the unfortunate reality that it is a more porous material than other natural stone, such as granite. With that being the case, it's even more important to maintain the protective seal that was applied when the stone was installed. This is imperative in order to maintain the luster and clean look of that marble you invested so much in. How to tell when it's time to seal? As a general rule, it's recommended to reseal your stone every 6 to 12 months depending on use, but the only way to know for sure is with the water test. The water test. Pour water, about 3 inches in diameter, on the surface in several locations and let it sit for 30 minutes. If you see a dark mark or ring, the water is penetrating the stone and it's time to reseal. Make sure to clean the surface thoroughly before sealing. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For more useful and interesting information, subscribe to Engineer Ajay Lod's channel, How to Make My House.